Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kaylee and today we're doing a Mejuri unboxing as well as showing you some of my favorite new pieces, and of course there is a discount code in the show notes below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So I've been a Mejuri partner for about a year and a half now, and what I love about this brand is that it's Canadian, it's female founded, the quality of the pieces is so great, and everything is super cute. So I wanted to share with you guys some updated pieces because I've gotten a ton of new stuff in the past year that I didn't talk about in my last video. So let's start with the pieces in my wardrobe that I've gotten over the past year or so that have become staples in my everyday. Obviously these earrings you might recognize from my last video as well. These hoops I wear honestly probably every single day, and I think they're just the perfect everyday hoop. But there's a few other pieces as well that were not mentioned in my last top 5 video, so here they are. The next piece that has been a total staple in my wardrobe over the past year is their zodiac horoscope ring. This is the Leo ring, but honestly I wear it all of the time. It's like a signet ring. It kind of goes with everything and is still a statement ring, so you can be wearing a little bit of jewelry and this can be the statement piece in your outfit, or it can be layered with other rings, other gold jewelry that it goes with, and it still looks really great. So I've loved this as like an everyday ring, but also a ring to dress up an outfit. So in my last video, one of my favorite pieces was the dot necklace, the 3-dot trio dot necklace, which I still love, but I recently got this updated, more kind of dainty version of the necklace, which actually just seems a little bit more feminine to me. It's smaller, you can wear it more casually when you're layering with pieces because the dots are smaller, and they're kind of like crystal dots versus gold dots, which I love as like just a bit more of a feminine piece. So this has been a staple in my jewelry wardrobe over the past year. So I also want to shout out Mejuri for sending this Fine Crew sweatshirt. It is such great quality. I love it so much. It's just a great basic sweatshirt. I actually don't know if this is available on the website, so I will check and I will insert whether or not in the video before we publish it on YouTube. But speaking of the Fine Crew, so the Fine Crew is basically Mejuri's ambassador program. I've been a part of it for probably a year and a half, 2 years. And that means that I have a discount code to Mejuri. So if you're watching this video and you're like, oh my god, that piece is so cute, or if you're thinking of purchasing Christmas gifts or anything like that, the link in my bio gets you 10% off of any new purchase. So anything on the site, not just the pieces that I'm showing you guys, you can get 10% off, which is a pretty good savings because the pieces are like really good quality and kind of not like super pricey, but you know, the price matches the quality of them, so it's great to save a little extra money. 1, 2, 3. So I also want to do an unboxing for you guys. I actually have 2 new packages from Mejuri that I'm going to unbox to, one, show you what you get when you actually receive a Mejuri package, and 2, to show you kind of these new 2 pieces that I've gotten. So the first thing that you're going to see when you open your Mejuri package, depending on what you order, is a cute little message and then your piece, which has been handcrafted, and so they give you a little note that like tells you the piece has been handcrafted for you specifically, and then there is the box. So in this one, I don't actually remember what this is. Okay, so this is actually a jewelry holder, like a travel case, which I love. First of all, you can tell that I love this color palette because it literally is my bedspread and up here, and like this is just one of my favorite colors. But this is perfect if you are traveling, or even like, obviously right now we're not traveling, but I like to keep my jewelry in these cases because I don't really have like a jewelry stand or a jewelry display in my bedroom. So I like to keep everything stored in here just so that it, you know, maintains the best quality that it's going to be. This is really cute. It basically, I don't even know what this material is, but it feels like leather. It's super high quality on the outside. The zipper is gold. And then on the inside you have these little pockets where you can put rings or necklaces or whatever in here. And it also comes with this travel pouch, which you can put the entire case inside of. Super cute. Okay, and so I'm going to show you another example of a new package that I've gotten from them. This actually is jewelry, this isn't a case. So again, the jewelry is handcrafted for you. They write your name, and they all come with this reusable pouch, which is great if you want to store your jewelry, if you want to use the pouch for like skincare, makeup, anything like that. They're really high quality little bags. It's also also great if you like want to resell your pieces or if you're gifting them, like it just gives a nicer presentation. And then the jewelry box, so again, I kind of forget what this is as well. All of the jewelry comes with a fine guide, which basically shows you how to take care of your jewelry. Rose might be joining us, maybe not. And then each jewelry piece comes with its own tiny little bag that you can put your jewelry inside of to store. So if you don't have a travel case or a storage case or somewhere to, you know, keep your jewelry, you can keep them in these little bags, which is really great because then you know that it's not going to rust. This jewelry doesn't really rust, but you know what I'm trying to say, like it's gonna protect your jewelry from the elements is what I mean. Yeah, so this is like a little, oh, it's so cute. It's like a little paper clip bracelet, which I will try on here. But this is just a really simple, cute piece. This is a newer piece actually. I think they only released it like a couple months ago, and I was saving it for this video. But this is something that I definitely could see myself wearing every day. I currently just wear like a very, very small gold chain bracelet, which is not Mejuri, it's actually my mom's. So I currently wear that literally every single day. And I generally don't wear bracelets because I just find they're kind of a pain to take on and put off, and my wrist is really small. So I find like bracelets are harder to shop for than something like earrings. But this one seems really cute and it's really great quality, and I just love that it is kind of like a structural piece. Like there's a little bit of architecture in the design. It's not just like a basic bracelet. So I can probably see myself wearing this to like events or meetings or something like that. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Hope you enjoyed this updated Mejuri favorites collection and unboxing. And if you're planning to purchase any pieces from Mejuri, you can use the discount code in my bio. It's actually a link. It's going to take you to a collection of my favorite pieces, but the 10% discount works on anything on the website if you're a new user. So use that code, save some money, and get some cute jewelry. Bye guys!